Welcome to EPIT Research Labs. Today we have come with a new project, Manhole Monitoring and Controlling System. So the theme of the project is to notify the GHMC or authorities whenever there is a tilt in drainage systems or drainage caps, or it also have to open the manhole whenever it detects the rain. So let's go to the complete system. We have used Arduino UNO, and we have used a 16 cross to LCD display with I2C connected to it, using SCL and SDA pins. We are using LM2596 to make the 12 volts to 5 volts to give as a power supply to Arduino as well as displays. We are using a stepper motor. This is the complete cap of it. So stepper motor is run using TB6600 driver. The driver is controlled using an Arduino. So we want to notify the user via a SIM, via a message. So we are using SIM 900A to give the messages. It also have to detect the water. Depending upon the water level, it has to open. So the theme is we are making a pit in parallel on the same level of the cap. This is the pit for it. We are using a float sensor, so whenever there is a float detected, it immediately opens the valve block and it opens the cap using a stepper motor. So it can be operated manually and using automatically by sensors. Let's go working by manually. So we are giving a switch for it. So to open it, you just have to press the switch. So when I open it, I just keep it. It immediately opens the valve lock, and you can see that the motor opening the valve. So there is a cap for it, so we need to keep the complete system will be covered like this. uh, so it is open. So to close it, I am just making the switch again. So it is not open completely. I am just waiting to open it. So we can also get the messages like this, that cap is tilted. So now I am closing it. So I'm just it is inclined to 90 degrees, so it's just stopped. So I'm closing it. Just I'm going the switch to the same direction. We can see that the stepper motor closing it. The closing and opening notifications can be given to particular authorities via a message. So we are using MPU 6050 to give the angle of the tilting. You can use MPU 9250 or any sensors which can give the gyroscopic values. So you can see that the manhole wall is set to its original location. Now let's go working of it using in auto sensor mode, which is we call it as auto mode. So I'm just restarting it. You can see we are getting the values like temperature, a float sensor data, and a gas data. Gas here we call as carbon dioxide, which will be the sensors which are inside the drainage canal. Whenever there is a more than required or more than enough gas in the valve, we need to open the valve so that there won't be any bursting. So let's go to the working by using a float sensor. I am using a float sensor here. Just this is the pit which is beside the drainage. Whenever there is a water fill in it, which is about the particular centimeters, it immediately lifts up. So whenever it lifts up, you can see that the valve is opened and the stepper motor running. Stepper motor runs to make it go to the original position. So you can see that stepper motor started running. So whenever there won't be any liquid fall, it can, you can see that it going back to its location. So everything like so that manhole water, you can see that the manhole water level exceeded, the cap tilted, every values via a message. So this is the complete theme of the project. Thank you.